Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable mobile data only apps on your Samsung Galaxy S20 series. Now first, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then we're going to swipe down and tap on the settings icon. Next, we're going to go down and tap on connections. Then go down and tap on data usage. Next, we're going to tap on mobile data only apps. So tap on this, and at the top here, tap on the switch to turn it on or off. Now once it is switched on, you need to go down the list and select the apps that you would allow to use it, to allow the app to use mobile data. This will force the app to always use mobile data even if you are on a Wi-Fi network. So for example, say YouTube, you want to play YouTube videos, even if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, it still use your mobile data. Now, so why would you want to do this? Now the reason being is that because sometimes if you are connected to a Wi-Fi network at work or at school, for instance, and your usage can be limited to, say, to a web browser only, and you are not allowed to use YouTube to watch videos. In that case, you would want to use your mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Now another scenario is that perhaps where you stay, you are too far away from your Wi-Fi router, and your Wi-Fi signals can drop in and out too often, and that can cause the app to not respond quick enough. So in that case, you can allow the apps to use mobile data instead. So some of the different scenarios why you want to turn on this feature. Now once you have finished with the app, perhaps you might want to switch it off so that it doesn't use up all your mobile data. So let's say when you're gone home, make sure that you go back in here and turn off YouTube. Otherwise, when you go home and you watch YouTube, it's still using up your mobile data. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.